In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch new products in Wrike. We'll walk through setting up a ready-to-use product launch workspace using Wrike's built-in templates, so you can go from idea to execution with structure in minutes. Start by opening Wrike in your browser and signing in. Once you're in your workspace, look to the left sidebar and open Spaces. Spaces are where teams organize work, so choosing the right place at the start helps keep your launch assets, tasks, and dashboards together. At the top of Spaces, click the plus icon. This opens the Solutions Gallery, Wrike's library of pre-built blueprints for common workflows. You can browse by category to get a feel for what's available or jump straight to what you need using search. In the Solutions Gallery, use the search field and type Products. This filters the gallery to templates designed for product work. For this walkthrough, select the template called Food Products Launches. Even if you're not in food and beverage, it's a solid example because it includes milestones, tasks, and fields that map well to typical go-to-market plans. You can preview the structure to make sure it fits your process. When you're ready, click Use Template. Wrike will prepare to add the template to your chosen space. Before proceeding, you'll see a prompt to accept the terms of use. Tick the box confirming you've read and accept the terms. If your organization has specific compliance requirements, it's a good idea to confirm with your admin that template usage is approved. Click Continue to import the template. Wrike will create the project structure for you, folders, sample tasks, and any included views, so you don't have to start from a blank page. This can take a moment, and when it's done, you'll land directly in the new project area. Now make your edits. Start by renaming the project to match your product and launch codename. Adjust start and due dates to reflect your planned timeline and shift dependent tasks if needed. Assign task owners, add watchers for key stakeholders, and trim any placeholder tasks that don't apply. Customize fields like launch phase, channel, budget, or region to match how your team reports. Update task descriptions with specs, links, and acceptance criteria so assignees have everything they need. Review statuses and workflows and align them with your approval process. If the template includes dashboards or calendars, tailor the filters so leadership sees only the signals that matter. Finally, share the project with your team, setting permissions appropriately so editors can contribute and viewers can stay informed. That's it. You've launched a structured product workspace in Wrike and tailored it to your plan so you can execute confidently and track progress from day one.